So guys, there are 4 ways to control the volume in Premiere Pro. The first one, select the clip, right click, audio gain. Then select set gain to. If your value is positive, then the volume will increase, and if your value is negative, the volume will decrease. Second one, select the clip, go to effect control, go down, label. If you increase the label, the volume will increase, and if you decrease it, the volume will decrease. But there is another thing, as you can see, it's keyframing. Suppose you want to increase the volume. Now it will gradually increase the volume. If you don't want to animate this, just disable it by clicking on this stopwatch. Now there will be no keyframe. The third one, go to your timeline, click on this button, bring it down. You see this bar. If you bring this bar down, the volume will decrease, and if you increase this bar, the volume will increase. If you hold Ctrl and click on the bar, then hold Ctrl again and click on somewhere else on the bar. Now if we left click on the dot and drag it, the volume is down here and it's gradually increasing. The fourth one, suppose we have lots of clips. Now how can we change the volume for all of them? For that, go to Audio tab. Then as you can see that our audio is at channel 1. So this is channel 1, this is channel 2, and this is channel 3. Channel 1, 2, 3. Now click on this arrow. Then click on this drop down, amplitude, compression, hard limiter. Double click on the hard limiter. We can limit our audio here like -6, which means the volume will not exceed -6 decibel. Then to increase or decrease the volume, input boost. Increase and decrease. After you are done, just get out of here. If you have some audio in channel 3, just click on here, then amplitude, compression, and do the same process. So guys, that's all 4 ways to control the volume in Premiere Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.